In this video we are going to use Vista paint to paint this, okay, this tool. Okay, you can see its color changed and almost rust is coming, so we will paint this with Vista paint, black paint. So let's start the painting with this Vista paint, so you can see how the paint works. Okay, I ordered this paint from the Amazon. Unboxing video is also there in our channel in shorts video. Okay, you can see the paint quality. We used a rice bag below for paint, so it won't make ground dirty. Okay, so here you can see I will paint it now. You can see the spray paint, Vista spray paint. You can see the shiny and glossy look after painting. So you can see I will slowly spray it, and you will also clearly observe it. You can play this video in 2x speed or 1.5x speed if you speed if you feel the video is slow. Okay, you can observe now it has been painted fully. I placed it into the oil can so that it may dry slowly. Okay, you can see the paint with the spray paint. I painted fully. You can see the Bahubali movie. The catapult throws this on Bahubali. Chick 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 chick. Bahubali. Why Katappa killed Bahubali? They used this only at that moment. Even Katappa will also use this if he will be there in this real world in this generation for painting his tool. Okay, so we will go to paint the chair. You can see here openable chair. This also paint has been gone, rust has been evaluated. You can see here we will make it as a brand new with this paint, with a glossy look to this chair, all chair. Okay, you can see the glossy look here, clearly observe it, rapidly change and observe the glossy look here, shiny and glossy. Anyhow, you can see the glossy look, glossy finish afterwards. Okay, the paint is very good. You can observe the chair has been turned into new one, brand new look with reflecting as a mirror, shiny look. So this is the review of the paint Vista spray paint black. You can observe yourself. Okay, so this is good only. Okay, thanks for watching the video till the end. You can see the finishing of the chip. Subscribe our channel and like, share, comment. You can encourage us by liking video and subscribing our channel so that we get motivated and make more videos.